Yeah, we're playing the Titanic. We're playing the Titanic right now, and I forgot to record. So now we're just pissed because there's an iceberg. I forgot. I didn't spawn at the back, bro. Yes, the ship can really sink, bro. Bro, are you done? The ship can really sink. Like, bro. Gotta go, bro. Get to the lifeboat, bro. Get on a lifeboat. I repeat. No, I'm just gonna go to the back, bro. Yeah, no. Let's go. Going to where I'm gonna see the iceberg. Okay, here's the iceberg. So, okay, we're at the back. We're at the back now. Nothing can definitely happen. The boat's definitely not gonna snap in half, bro. It's snapping up! It's snapping up! Literally snapping up. It is snapping. I'm gonna check the boiler room. I forgot what a boiler room is though. Where's... Bugger me! Bugger me! Oh, bro. Go. I fell off. Wait. I just realized I'm not on top. Bro!
Wow, look at her life. I really do love how they did the beginning.
Okay, somehow get up here. We're here.
Titanic was so heartbreaking and beautiful at the same time. Oh my gosh, that was the love story of the century. That was such a beautiful masterpiece.
Should we just get on the lifeboat, bro?
A reaction to James Cameron.
Oh my god. Is it?
Don't forget to check it out right over here.
Yep, we're cooked. I can see it, like, twisted kind of. Like, it's tilting. It's tilting to the right, bro. It's so cooked. Oh. Stupid white place. Go! I should get the first freaking casino, how about that? We go here. Still have a lot of time until kind of. Bugger me! gonna take a million if we're down here, bro. Go. Go. Go! Okay, but we're going. Come on. Come on. The Roblox Titanic will sink now. We're cooked.
Why are you making me be the biggest one?
Bro. We're so good. Come on. We'll reset if I can get there, bro. Alright. You gotta get up here, bro. Don't fall, bro. If I fall, I'm gonna scream. Okay, perfect. We're on top of the canyon. Is it? Are things even happening, bro? We're good, bro. We're good. Can I fall to these knots here, bro? Where's the boiler room? I don't know what a boiler room is, bro. Go! Go. Do I know? Let's go over here. Where do I go?
We're doing all this to play game, by the way. Ain't got no hoodie.
There's a lifeboat right here, bro, but we can't do anything. There's already a lifeboat there. I would go there, but I want to see the ship sink us at the same time, bro. Please, I just want to go in here. Please. You guys getting it? Look at that.
There's a hamburger shirt? Put that on something.
Oh, it's sinking.
Actually,
There's someone at the bottom of the ship. I can see him, bro. Can we get on? Yo, bro, can we get on, bro? What's that say?
I'm going with this hoodie tag.
E deck is flooding with. Where's E deck, bro? I haven't watched the Titanic, so I don't know about this boat, bro. All I know is how they hit an iceberg and then Jack's. Go. I thought this was. Yep, okay. Go. Okay, bro. We almost died. If that fills up, we're so screwed.
Chad, this is the tennis skirt. Now this is the play.
May now be set. Oh,
There we
watch. Ropes.
go. Yellow drift out.
I hope whoever's. Hey, someone get on this boat so we can help you, bro. This guy's.
You can do hoodies.
Okay, whatever. We're not. Okay, what's from here? If it's flooded, that's why I'm gonna scream. Because we're going down. Oh no, wait, no, this is the Mustang.
Hoodies? What do you mean they're not? I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Chad,
Stuck.
I'm not doing that.
Okay, the deck has flooded. Bro, Chad, what do we do, bro? Bro.
Wait, what's the weather?
Bro, what do we do? Chat, what do we do, bro? Chat, what do we do? Chat, what do we do?
Chat, we cool with this now?
Wait, is the ball shaking or is it just me, Bill?
Chat, are we good?
No, I saw it. Oh.
Dude, that is... Why'd you have to make me fall?
I'm snapping out! Am I the only one in the ship? The ship is literally about to snap in half. What do we do, John? It's gonna snap in half. It's snapping in half, bro. What do we do, Chad? What do we do? So good. No! I'm inside the boat. Oh my god. I literally had to restart. Going the wrong way, bro. Wait, no. It's about to snap it out. No. I'm good, bro. It's snapping out. It's snapping out. It really snapping out. It is snapped in half. It's snapped in half. Get to the front. Okay, bro, we're absolutely good. No, bro. No. Bro. No. Bro, this stupid game. No. Go! Come on! Guys, sit on the seat. No! Bro, this stupid game, bro. Don't freaking respawn again, bro. The ship literally snapped in half. Pull the starter, bro. I'm not jumping on that shit, bro. It looks like a bit. I'm not about to go on Carpathia or something, bro. I ain't about to go on that. Imagine that fall all the way to the bottom. Jump! Oh! Jump! Oh! Jump! No! I accidentally ragdolled! This chair saved me. Bro, let me ragdoll. Bro, let me ragdoll, bro. I'm cooked, bro.